Welcome to the Professional Certification Program, QuickBooks with AI Automation. Master cloud accounting from the foundation to an advanced level, and future-proof your career with essential AI skills. This program includes practical labs, AI integration and placement support, and is presented by the Baroda Institute of Technology. The Baroda Institute of Technology, or BIT, is a premier institute focused on practical, job-oriented training empowering future accountants. Our world-class facilities include smart classrooms and practice labs, real business accounting practice, and mentoring. We offer flexible training options with instructor-led sessions, weekend and weekday batches, and flexible learning schedules. BIT also provides an LMS portal for 24/7 access to recordings, notes, assignments, and progress tracking. Our comprehensive course overview for QuickBooks with AI covers modern cloud accounting systems. The program bridges traditional accounting principles and AI-powered financial automation. The ideal candidates include B.com and M.com students, MBA finance graduates, working accountants, freelancers, business owners, and founders. The duration is 8 to 10 weeks with over 60 guided learning hours, including hands-on labs and a capstone project. What you take away includes real business portfolio projects, case studies experience, lifetime BIT LMS access, and placement assistance. Choose this course for 3 key advantages. It is industry-ready, provides an AI advantage, and is practice-first. You will master the future of finance, automating data entry, financial reporting, and forecasting with cutting-edge AI tools. We offer flexible learning options with 4 pathways: Foundation, QuickBooks Core, Advanced with AI, and the Combo Pro, which includes all phases and is our best value option. Our comprehensive program structure follows a 4-phase journey, from basics to AI mastery. Phase 1 focuses on accounting fundamentals. Phase 2 covers QuickBooks Core. Phase 3 moves to Advanced QuickBooks. Finally, Phase 4 focuses on AI in accounting, including automation tools, forecasting, and report generation. Each phase includes practical lab sessions, real-world case studies, and assessments via the BIT LMS portal, with a total duration of 8 to 10 weeks. Phase 1 builds your foundation with accounting fundamentals, covering key modules like types of accounts, journal entries, ledgers, and preparation of financial statements. Phase 2, QuickBooks Core, teaches company profile setup, customer and vendor management, expense tracking, and bank reconciliation. Both phases include practical labs for hands-on learning. Moving to Phase 3, Advanced QuickBooks, you will dive deep into modules such as product and service setup, inventory tracking, payroll management, and advanced financial reporting. Phase 4 introduces AI integration, covering the role of AI in cloud accounting, AI-based bookkeeping, OCR invoice capture, and using ChatGPT for financial insights. You will also work on exciting AI projects. Upon completion, you will gain essential competencies, including company setup and configuration, operations management, and reconciliation mastery. You will also excel in financial reporting, inventory and payroll management, taxation, and GST. The course ensures you master AI-powered automation, advanced analytics, client-ready deliverables, and professional readiness. The technical stack includes QuickBooks Online as the core engine for cloud bookkeeping, invoicing, and GST compliance. You will also master Excel and Sheets for data analysis, pivot tables, and financial modeling. Additionally, you will utilize future tech AI tools such as ChatGPT and OCR for advanced automation, and gain access to the BIT LMS portal for resources and progress tracking. Apply your skills to real business problems through capstone projects in AI and automation, such as an automated invoice system, AI expense classification, a sales forecasting dashboard, and an AI report generator. You will also complete live business case studies covering startup accounting, freelance business, e-commerce automation, and an AI forecasting model. The program prepares you for high-growth roles, including accounts executive, professional bookkeeper, cloud accounting specialist, and financial analyst. You can also pursue roles like startup finance manager and freelance accountant, with career support that includes resume building, mock interviews, and placement assistance. The course opens global opportunities in the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia. The USA market shows the highest demand, with 80% market share in small business accounting, focusing on bookkeeping and tax preparation. Other growing markets, like Canada and the UK, are embracing cloud accounting due to regulatory changes. Our structured learning pathway takes you from a beginner to an AI accounting professional. Start with Phase 1 Fundamentals, move to Phase 2 QuickBooks Core, then Phase 3 Advanced QB, and culminate in Phase 4 AI Automation, leading to the goal of placement and being hired. The placement pathway ensures your career launch is systematic, starting with skill training and portfolio build. Then, move to resume and profile optimization, mock interviews, and company prep. Finally, placement support includes job alerts, HR connects, and soft skills training. Unlock professional credibility through our association with the Vishlesan I-Hub Foundation at IIT Patna. This prestigious association and innovation focus ensure a stronger portfolio, validating your commitment to tech-forward accounting practices. Certificate issuance is subject to successful course completion and adherence to partner terms. Hear what our learners say. Rahul Mehta, now at an accounting firm, highlights the value of hands-on practice. Sneha Patel, a freelance cloud bookkeeper, found the AI modules to be a game changer, increasing her work speed. Amit Verma, a finance analyst, praises the placement pathway and mock interviews. This course can lead to new career trajectories, such as moving from a traditional accountant to a QuickBooks specialist. Ready to boost your accounting career? Choose your path: Foundation, QuickBooks Core, Advanced plus AI, or the Combo Pro, which includes all phases and is highly recommended. All programs include instructor-led training, practical labs, placement assistance, and more. Enroll now.